Namaste. Today I am going to talk about the philosophy of happiness. In philosophy, there is a term Sat Chit Anand. Everybody know the meaning of Sat Chit Anand. Sat Chit Anand means truth, consciousness, and pure bliss. Ananda. So the nature of the real nature of human beings are bliss, pure bliss. But the truth is that many of us do not know about it because we are not philosophers. Many of us are not philosophers, or maybe many of us are not spiritual gurus. If you see the spiritual gurus, if you see the seers, if you see the saints, they all talk about Satchitanand, they talk about pure bliss, they talk about intrinsic nature of a human being a happy person, and they are always happy. The reason is that they have known the truth of the reality. But as a normal human being, we are surrounded by lot of things which we are engaged in a day-to-day basis. We have a job to do, we have a family to look after, we have kids to look after, we have so many hundreds and thousands of things to think over. But in spite of all these things, still there are many people who can be happy in any kind of situation, and those are the people who emerge as a strong personalities. And we know the results as well. People who are successful in every field, if you see their background, it is easy to know how much they must have suffered to achieve the success which they are in today. The reason behind that is their willpower, their strength, their courage, and the situation. In spite of whatever situations they had been in, they were happy. But if we are unhappy, it is very difficult even to take a step forward. For example, if you see the children, there are so many things which we can learn from children. But people think that we have to teach children. That's wrong. We have to learn from children. If you see any kind of children, whether it is from a poor family, whether it is from a rich family, or whether they are street children, they all have one similar quality, and that is they are all happy. They don't bother about their surroundings, they don't bother about in what situation they are in, but they are ultimately happy. So that is one important thing which we have to learn from these children. Many things maybe we can learn from children. This is one of the most important thing, how to be happy person. So if we are happy in any kind of a situation, it becomes easy for us to face all the difficulties of life. Otherwise, the first step, if you are an unhappy person, will lead to failure. And I have seen that also, that any kind of person who is unhappy can never achieve success in life. So happiness is the first step, or maybe a step to achieve contentment, success, as well as spiritually, if you speak, pure bliss. But it depends on every person, whichever way they want to take it, whether you want to attain success, whether you want to attain happiness, or whether you want to attain pure bliss. It depends on the way, on the nature of the human being. So just try to think about it, that Happiness is inside you, like philosophy of love, even in philosophy of happiness, you can't find happiness in material things. You can't find happiness in other people. You can't find happiness in your family. You can't find happiness in any other beings, any other things, or any other material things on this earth. So, if you have to find happiness, you have to find it in yourself. If you find happiness in yourself, then nobody can lead you to unhappy life. Then success will be completely yours. Not only success, then nobody can change the way you look things, because you are the person who can change yourself. Thank you.